Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Jahaneman, your own channel. Once again, we are here with Memories 2021 Meet Aspirations 2022. And we have a very special guest. See, we have a global world record ambassador and the founder director of Brain Rhymes Singapore. And not only in Singapore, there are many more countries where he has reached to thousands and thousands of students and the people, transforming their life, making their life more successful and more happy. Yes, let's meet Mr. Sushant M. Mysorkar. Hello, Sushant, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you very much.
Welcome to the show.
I'm grateful. My pleasure.
Sushant, you know, this year, the year 2021, for some it was not very, very good, but it was just okay. 2022 is going to bring lots of new hopes, new aspirations, new beginning, new dreams. So first of all, let's know about your 2021. How was it for the Global World Record Ambassador and how your 2022 is going to be in your projection?
Okay, wonderful. So I'll answer one by one. So the first question, as you mentioned, 2021, it was a very learning experience for both plus and minus. So there were people who were not ready to upgrade, and this 2021 forced them to upgrade their skill sets so that they can move on for the next 5 to 10 years.
Very true.
So 2021 was really very excited, really a completely different, we can say, up till now, whatever years we have spent, all of us have spent, it was a complete different year altogether. With lots of learnings, with a lot of collaboration, a lot of networking, a lot of new people connecting. I think we also met because of this lockdown and all this. Otherwise, I would have not met a wonderful person like you.
Same here.
So let me showcase over here what exactly we did in 2021 with a small presentation. So
yeah, sure.
A small presentation.
You were always like in the news, you were always there in the making records of the social media. So I'm 100% sure that your year was full of achievements and excitement.
Thank you very much. So I'll just showcase over here what exactly the achievements were and how we were able to transform a lot of students. And really, we also had a lot of transformation learning phase with all these students too.
I am quite excited to see.
Same, I'm excited to show.
Yeah.
Okay, so we registered in 2012 and we had a lot of programs, right from academic performance for the students, for the corporates, a lot of learnings as to how to deal in the corporate life, as well as even senior citizens. We were really excited to work with all the three categories on how neuroscience plays a role in cognitive development. And I have completed my doctorate also into cognitive neuroscience.
Wow.
So this is how we normally start our programs. We're in complete assessment. We assess the students, we assess the professionals on different critical areas through which they feel that these are the areas which needs improvement. And then we assess through a lot of assessment tools which we have. There are certain tools which are readily available globally. There are certain tools which we have designed for the betterment on progress of students and professionals. And then we create a long program, short as well as long program for professionals on how to move forward. Also, along with the students, whether after progressing through academics, what are the next stages? So we created a lot of programs, and now I'm going to unfold you what are the different programs which we have created for the students. So academic performance and competitive championships and world record holders, as well as research and innovation and discovering yourself. So these are the primary areas wherein upgradation at every level, because we have students, we had parents who mentioned, okay, Sushant, you have really made a change in our child's life. in terms of academic performance. What's next? And that motivated us to move to the next level. So we entered into competitions, UPSC, MPSC, and I'm proud to mention over here that one of our students even qualified for the Mensa. Mensa is for the high IQ, and globally, high IQ students are in this category.
Wow, wow, lovely.
Thank you very
Great,
much.
congratulations.
Yes, thank you very much. And then we progressed towards, we saw that lot of huge potential in students, and we started with the world record holders. So as of now, we have almost we are an urge of completing 25 students by this year end. And then we also had research and innovations, wherein we also had my two techniques of copyright. My student's book is likely to be I'll get a copyright in the month of Jan. And one of my students already 3 years back, when he was in Patkar College, and he was a biotech student. And after learning our techniques, he was so fascinated that he started implementing those techniques. So here the key I would like to mention here is implementation, practice. That makes a person perfect. Perfect practice makes a person perfect. And that's how it transformed into a technique or a copyright for biotech and nanotech. So he created a table for phenotype and nanotype, which is now a copyright, and it's available for biotech and nanotech students. And then we progress ahead also for discovering yourself, because that's again, once they are through with all this, they need to discover which field they need to progress, which the field they need to specialize. And once they get their path, there is no turning back.
Great, great. Especially the copyright and all these, really, it's wonderful to know.
Thank you very much. So these are some of the few students. We are now compiling the photographs, the details, and shortly we will have all the 25 students in one single framework, or maybe two, three different slides. So we have students right from 4.5 years, and our youngest student is 92.
Wow. Wonderful. Yes. Great job.
So these are some of the appreciations, and really I thank all of them from the bottom of my heart for really appreciating it and motivating us to move to the next level. If this steps we would have not climbed, we would have been difficult to get into a very bigger scale and a larger scale. And this is one interview. I'm sure that this will also take us to the next level, because I am regular following your programs, and I really love the way you present your programs. Just when we were discussing last time, you mentioned about the different programs which you also conduct. And really, I'm happy to share here that I would recommend people to understand Dr. Halimaji's program and register for them, because I am a beneficiary for that, and I have got immense benefit from a program. I think in the month of February, you are starting one program, right?
Yeah, yes, you are right, Dr. Sushant, because, my leadership program was quite popular among the professionals and even for the people for their personal leadership growth. So I found that it is helping the people in real sense. They are discovering themselves, and then they are like getting rid of their fears, their hesitations, then procrastination, then different stresses, conflicts, and their communication issues. So this 1 month challenge is really a great program. And thank you very much for recommending others also for this program. It's going to start in February again.
If I would have given opportunity, I would give this medal to you.
So nice of you. Thank you very much.
You're doing a great job to society.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Sushant.
Okay, so these are some of the programs, a pro bono session, which we call as community building services to the society. And this we are working, and the number one first program is for teens. We want to understand them properly, because they have a different approach, the new generation, the new thought process. The old thought process and new thought process needs to be combined and connected and create a new what you can say environment altogether. When we are into process of creating innovation clubs, so we have already signed up with some schools, colleges in Mumbai as well as in Jaipur. Then we are running an Astro Club. One of our students already initiated this before we wanted to launch it, and we Sai Akshara from Hyderabad is working into it. And we are also, one of our student is very eager to start in Dubai. She is Rutwa Pore, and she'll be shortly, maybe in the next year, she will be starting from Dubai. Then we had another student from Dubai, Anne, who is wonderful into creating and designing a story pattern. So we started a theater magic with her, and it is going on very well. And we wish to put forward this in a very big way. Master Prac, again, one of our associate, Rajvi, who is handling this project, and she has taken this project at another level. Live games, this is basically, we want to start, we have already initiated, but not in a big way. Now we want to go in a big way, wherein we want 45 plus who feel that they are forgetting a lot of things, and they are giving command to the brain that they are forgetting. So we want them to get into positive side of the brain and tell them that you are not forgetting, and there are a lot of other tools and a fun way you can remember a lot of things. So for 45 plus, we would be shortly starting live games, wherein we have associated with gaming institutions having more than 1,000 games. So
wow, I
complete.
will be your first student to join this. As we age, these things happens to us, mine, and we think that this is normal. If we are forgetting the things, we are not able to remember the things, we take it for granted that yes, it will happen because now we are aging. But your course is going to help us.
As it is said, age is just a number. So you might be today 25, next year it will be 26, next year it will be 27. You're not going to reduce, you're going to go on continuing and adding. But the mind which you have, that can be, as I told you, my youngest student, 92, he is as good as 18 years. And is joyful and playful and happy as a 18-year kid. So this is what we have done, and I'm very happy to put forward these details and numbers of my associates whom we got. We were associated before also, and some of them we got during the lockdown period. Malaysia, Mr. Nara, who has been a very close contact with us, and he is doing a very good job, and he is helping us in UAE. Minu from UAE, she is also fantastic. She is doing a job. And these UAE and Malaysia I got in lockdown. I have already contacts in Hong Kong, US, Singapore, and Egypt too. So Egypt number is not here. So these contacts, few I had already before a lockdown, but after lockdown, I'm very fortunate to have Minu and Nara to be connected with them. So this was a short presentation.
Wow. Thank you very much. And your each and every course is dealing with the brain, with the mind, with the character, with the memories, and all these are like necessary elements, I must say, especially for the students and the professionals to move ahead and go ahead. And I recommend everyone to go for these courses. So Mr. Sushant, what do you think in 2022, how is going to be your Brainrhyme and your other initiatives?
Okay, wonderful. So I'll address to this question. 2022 is a huge way of looking at different things, because one thing is we are completing 10 years.
Wow.
So in 2022 will be a very big year for us to make this event a great success. And I'm sure with the help of my associates, because me as a team, Brainrhyme is not just an individual. It's a group associates and a lot of people who are involved into it. Physically, mentally, blessings. So I see that with all these collaborations from all, I consider you also as one of my good team members who have supported and connected with me at all times, and you have supported me a lot in every event which I have conducted. So each one of you are a part of Brainrhyme, and I'm sure that we will come out with new products. As we said about senior citizens, we are likely to get into a bigger program than that. There are a lot of people who have also come forward and asked to conduct programs at their institutions, not only in India as well as abroad. And we will be also helping them in creating different modules for different special examinations, just like UPSC. There are a lot of international exams which will now be taking interest and working on exclusively on those exams so that our students can excel. Secondly, we want that our students should excel into research and innovation. There is a huge potential among students, and these areas need to be tapped in such a way that those links between the 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, and finally the copyright, trademark, or the IPR, we would love to have our students and get into a bigger platform and a global platform and help not only a specific country in which they live, but the whole globe as a whole.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Sushant. And I wish you all the best for 2022 and many, many happy new year and many more years to your life, to your work, to your initiatives. You are doing a great, great job. You know, when a person makes any record, or I must say breaks any records, that brings how much joy, and along with the joy, the confidence building in that particular child or particular person. We can just imagine that how the person is going to be in their life and how the person is going to be of great value for the nation, for the globe, for the entire world. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Jahaneman. So I'm so proud of you, and my viewers must always be very proud of you. And I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. It was very nice to talk to you, Mr. Sushant, and keep your good work going on, bright shine, and always keep smiling in coming years.